Hello everyone. I wanted to share with you an alternative method to sharpening your rotary cutter blade. This method will save you money, at least in the short term. The alternative solution is using a knife sharpener. I purchased this knife sharpener from Aldi. It has two sharpeners, one for thin and one for coarse. This knife sharpener will not only sharpen knives, but scissors, and now it'll sharpen my rotary cutter blade. To sharpen this blade, you're going to need to remove the blade from the rotary cutter. This is what the blade looks like. What you want to do is rotate the blade around the knife sharpener, or within the knife sharpener. And you want to rotate the blade several times, like so. I usually take one section and sharpen it 3 or 4 times all around this disc. This will actually save you some money because you can resharpen this blade many times instead of going out and buying a sharpener for a rotary cutter or additional blades. At some point, I know I will go back out and purchase the rotary blades, some additional ones, that is. So then once you're done, you just reattach the blade back to the rotary cutter, like so. And make sure you don't cut your hands even when you're attempting to sharpen this blade. So now here's the real test. I'm going to test the sharpened blade on some fabric. I'm going to use this lightweight cotton fabric. I'm going to fold it over so it's a little bit thicker. And I'm going to run through it. Let's see. I'm going to apply a little bit of pressure and run through it. Okay, now look how I was able to cut through that pretty well. Now I'm going to take a thicker piece of fabric, and this is like terry cloth. It's a thicker material, but let me see what I can do here. Let me see if I can take it and fold it over and do the same. See if it cuts really well. So you need to apply more pressure to this. But look, that's nice. So it works. So leave your comments, and I hope you like this video. And thanks for watching.